Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Boxycharm unboxing for you. I just got this in the mail probably about a week or so ago. I did already open it because I was impatient and couldn't wait, but I still want to go ahead and share these items with you. Next time I will try to be patient and I will open the box on camera with you guys, but this time around I was not patient. Okay, so the first thing I got in my box is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, and it looks like this. I love the packaging. I love Glam Glow products, so I was really excited to receive this. It's full size, of course. All of the products are full size, and this is just like a daily cleanser, so I'm really excited about this. I think the other thing you could have gotten was some kind of like coconut water moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. I think that was the other option, but I'm really glad that I got the Glam Glow. Okay, and the next item I got in my Boxycharm this month is the Albemarle Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, and this is in the Fair and Light. It looks like this, and here's what the inside looks like. They're really pretty. I will go ahead and swatch them for you. I was hoping to get the, I think, light medium shade because the colors of those blushes just looked a lot prettier to me. I don't really wear a lot of orangey blushes, even though I'm wearing one today for once. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and swatch these for you. That's what they look like right there. They're really pretty, but like I said, the two orange ones just look pretty similar to me. But I will use this. I'm really excited that I got it nonetheless. Okay, the next item I got is this brow definer by Mellow. I've never heard of that brand. This is in the color chocolate. This looks like this. And it's one of those ones that has a spoolie on the end, of course. But it's one of those kind of pencils that's like, hopefully you guys will be able to tell, but it's like a diamond shape. So I've never tried one like this before, and I've just started using, I used to always use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, but I recently switched over to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade because Ulta was having a sale on them. I think they were like 2 for $15 at the time, so I got the brush and the pomade, and that's, you know, that's what I've been using for my brows. So I don't know, I'm excited to try this because why not? Okay, and then the next item I got is this Eye Luster Cream Shadow from Ciate. Really cute packaging too. I love the pink. And this is in the shade Cupid. Now this is so pretty, you guys. Hopefully you can tell. But it's like a pinky purple, and like it's got even like a yellow shift in there. It's so gorgeous. I'll go ahead and swatch this. Oh, I guess I'll go ahead and swatch the brow definer too if you guys we're wanting to see the color. And like I said, this was in the color chocolate. Seems pretty good. It seems like it'll be my color too. This is pretty much the same color I used in the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. So there's the brow definer there in chocolate, and then that is the cream shadow in Cupid. So gorgeous. I'm so excited to use that, you guys. I actually saw a video on Instagram of a girl using it as her highlighter. It looked really gorgeous. Okay, so the last item, this video went pretty quick. The last item I received was the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Color, I almost said Color Pop, I don't know why, in the shade Strawberry Pop, and it's this really gorgeous like pinky red color. I actually had this on in my last Dollar Tree video, that one that I uploaded before this one, so if you guys want to see, like, you know, how it looks on, but I will go ahead and swatch it. But it is the most beautiful like pinky red color, so gorgeous. So I'm really excited about Boxycharm. They have just been killing it the past few months. I think I've been signed up for them. I had to cancel a few months just because I couldn't afford it, but I always like sign back up right away when I can because I don't want there to be like a wait list again. There hasn't been a wait list for a long time. So I've really been pleased with everything that I've been receiving. And I actually just upgraded for Boxycharm Luxe. I'm really excited about that because this next month is when we'll be getting that one, and I cannot wait to see what kind of goodies I get in that box. I think they do a lot more skincare related stuff in the Boxy Luxe Charm. the Boxycharm Luxe, Boxy Luxe, whatever it's called. But yeah, that was my Boxycharm for the month of May, and like I said, I'm super excited to get the next month's one. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want me to continue to do them, let me know and leave a comment if you like. Also check out my last video that I just uploaded the other day. It's a Dollar Tree haul, and I'm glad to be back, you guys. I have more videos on the way. I promise I won't leave you hanging again. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you are new to my channel and you would like to stick around, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys. And I love Glam Glow.